Welcome to our channel where we talk about the latest and greatest AI tools. Today, we're diving into something truly revolutionary. I'm excited to introduce you to ChatGPT today. This tool is changing the way we interact with technology. By now, you've probably heard a lot about it. It's all over the internet, making waves in various fields. But if you haven't given it a try yet, I'm here to tell you why you should. So what is ChatGPT? Let's break it down. Simply put, it's an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. This isn't just any AI. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text. It can generate human-like text based on the prompts you give it. Imagine having a conversation with a machine that understands context and nuance. Think of it as your personal assistant, capable of helping with anything from writing emails to brainstorming ideas. The applications are vast and varied. Using ChatGPT is super easy. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. You just type in a prompt, hit enter, and it responds. It's that simple and intuitive. The more specific you are with your prompt, the more accurate and helpful the response will be. It's like having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend. For example, you could say, "Help me draft a professional email to my boss," and ChatGPT will provide a well-structured email in seconds. Or, "Give me a list of fun weekend activities." The versatility of ChatGPT is truly remarkable. Who can use ChatGPT? Honestly, everyone, from students to professionals and even hobbyists. It's perfect for students, professionals, content creators, and anyone who needs a little extra help with writing or generating ideas. The potential is limitless. Let's talk about some creative ways people are using ChatGPT. You might be surprised by the variety of applications. Some use it to write compelling blog posts, saving time and effort while maintaining quality. Others to draft social media content, ensuring their posts are engaging and well-crafted. Small business owners might use it to create marketing materials or customer service scripts, streamlining their operations. I've even heard of people using it to plan meals or write poetry. The creative possibilities are endless. ChatGPT can be a tool for creativity, productivity, and much more. But why should regular folks with no business-related needs use ChatGPT? Let's explore that. Well, it can save you time and boost your productivity. Imagine having more free time to do what you love. Imagine no longer having to struggle with writer's block or spending hours drafting the perfect text. ChatGPT can help you overcome these hurdles. It's like having a smart friend who's always ready to help. Whether you're working on a project or just need some advice, ChatGPT is there for you. Getting access to ChatGPT is easy. You don't need to jump through hoops to start using it. You can use it directly on OpenAI's website, making it accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, or download the app from your app store. This means you can have ChatGPT at your fingertips anytime, anywhere. There are free versions available, so you can start exploring its capabilities without any cost. And if you need more advanced features, there are affordable subscription plans starting at just a few dollars a month. It's a small investment for a powerful tool. All right, that's a wrap for today. I hope you found this introduction to ChatGPT enlightening. Thank you for watching. Your support means the world to us. If you enjoyed this content, please give the video a thumbs up. It helps us create more valuable content for you. And remember, friends, don't work hard when you can work AI. Leverage the power of technology to make your life easier. See you in our next video. Stay tuned for more exciting content.